back to my channel. Today I am doing a Dermalogica event. I very rarely get to flex my esthetician license, but today's gonna be really exciting. If you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, I've been doing facials. I love them. I went to esthetician school last year. I got my license and I feel so legit. Dermalogica asked me to do a live demo today in Sephora, and mind you, if you guys didn't know, I used to work at MAC back in the day. So I am here working at Sephora technically. I'll be doing facial demos. Dermalogica would come in to my school and give us demos and different type of regimens for certain skin types. So they asked me to create one. So in collaboration with the estheticians at the education team, I created my Pro Glow facial. I haven't done a meet and greet at the Grove in 9 years. Last time I did a meet and greet here was 2015 for my nail collab with Formula X. If you guys are the real ones, you guys will know. And today we are going to be using the brand new Biolumin C Night Restore. If you guys haven't seen my skin, it is, yes, I'm wearing makeup, but the texture and the brightness of my skin has drastically improved. And if you guys want to see my facial using it, I just posted a video not too long ago featuring it, and it really has changed my skin along with other products, Dermalogica and other brands. For today's video, enjoy this vlog. We're gonna talk to the people, and also One Size team is here. And don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all.
Hi, my name is Dell, like the computer, and I'm a pro makeup artist today, and we are helping people understand like which products are for them. If it was me, it would be all of them, but sometimes you have to help people choose. I would say my favorite one size product is definitely the Cheek Clappers, the Blush Trio. I have on Girly Pop today, and hands down is my favorite.
Hi, my name is Fabiola. I'm one of the pro artists for One Size. I've been a working makeup artist for film and television for over 14 years, and one of my go-tos on set is Until Dawn setting spray, and I love the Cheek Clappers because you get a cream, a powder, and a nice little shimmer highlighter. So it's like multi-purpose, and it works perfectly on set, and it photographs beautifully on camera.
Hi, my name is Tony. I'm a professional makeup artist. I'm here with One Size at the Grove, and today we are helping you figure out what your favorite One Size product is. So come here and get matched by a professional.
Oh, you know, I was just picking up some perfume and I saw something was going on over here, so I wanted to know what's going on. Why are you guys wearing red?
Wow. Are you familiar with the brand One Size?
I am. Isn't that PatrickStarrr, the drag queen?
Hi everybody. How are you? So I went to esthetician school last year and I got my license, but when I started esthetician school, we get Dermalogica in school. So this is before I was working with Dermalogica, and I'm super familiar with these products, but they have new products. So the new product that they have is the Biolumin C Night Restore. I have like hyperpigmentation and dark circles, so at night I love using vitamin C. But I'm gonna show you guys today how to use it if you were to do a facial. You wanna make sure that you're cleaning the skin, because if you're just putting this on top of the skin and it's still dirty, there's no point. Like, you just wasted your time. And I learned at Dermalogica, they always say use sweep before you mop.
Yep.
Y'all taught me that,
Yeah?
so I'm gonna steal that. So if you wanna teach someone about skincare, as soon as my instructor in esthetician school told me about that concept about sweeping before you mop and then you put like polish, that kind of helps you understand, instead of spending so much money on actives, on AHAs, BHAs, pigment this, pigment that. When everybody asks me what's the most important about skincare, I always say it's cleansing. Oh, this is my friend Ronnie. Say hi, Ronnie.
Hi, everyone.
This is my best friend. So when I came to LA from Orlando, he let me stay on his couch. We would gig, and he believed in me and I believed in him, and he's done all my campaigns for One Size Beauty, and we've traveled all over the world together, so you never know where the fuck you're gonna go in life, so keep him close. Hi, I'm gonna do a facial on my girlfriend, and we're gonna talk about the Pro Glow experience. I created this protocol with Dermalogica. I want to show you guys our new product, the Bioluminescent Night Restorer. But my lovely model today is Chelsea, my classmate from esthetician school. How do you feel?
I feel great, amazing. Skin feels so fresh and light. Yes.
And I'm going to be giving you some products here.
Yes, thank you.
My granddaughter who lives in Melbourne, when I was visiting her Christmas, is making me watch videos.
Oh, me? You? No way. Are you sure?
Yeah.
She saw me. And she's from New Zealand.
We walked past earlier.
And you're like, who the hell do you know?
My
We're watching.
21-year-old granddaughter I was visiting at Christmas, and she was watching your videos.
Oh my god.
And she was making me watch your
Oh,
videos.
I'm sorry.
No, I was tickled because I don't really.
And then she passed the window and she recognized you. That's
So I thought
cool.
we'll come back and we'll ask for a photograph.
Oh, yes, of course. Thank you.
It
Do
is
you want to
gonna
should I
be
do a video for your
so-
granddaughter? What's her name?
Yes,
What's
please.
her name?
Her name is Faith. It's me. It's Grandma, and I found.
Hi, Grandma found me in the window of Sephora, and we're here. So thank you for introducing my videos to your grandma. And best of luck with everything. I love you.
Oh, that is amazing.
Of all days, the heat wave.
I'm gonna go outside now and send this
Okay,
to Faith.
yes.
And if I can get her to talk, I'll come running
Come
back
back
in.
funny, right? So I'm like here doing demos at Sephora in LA, and your grandma was like, I know him. Look at you being an influencer all the way in Melbourne. Here. So they know it's real.
She's just gobsmacked.
This is my model today. Do you want to shout out your handle?
Michael
Michael.
Saucedo. MYKELSAUCEDO.
Hi, how are you?
Filipino power.
Finally, my hands. Oh, guys, today was so amazing. I feel like I worked like an old school shift when I used to work at Max, so that was like so surreal for me. And to have Ronnie touching me up and Tony, and to have Michael, my classmate Chelsea, and to have Lizzie assisting me. It was such a immersive day today. And mind you, it's 110 degrees outside right now in this heat stroke. It's a heat wave, but I call it a heat stroke, okay? The day is just so cool to actually have a brand. Everyone was complimenting the brand and the products and getting their makeup done and getting the Pro Glow experience. A custom like PatrickStarrr experience is like so unreal because going into school, that was like my first brand I saw as an official esthetician student, and then now later to have a partnership and an experience in Sephora with my brand is very cool because we're able to collab in a unique way, whereas like in my past I was collabing with influencers and doing cross-promotional content, but on the company level I'm able to do the same thing with companies in different industries that are willing to accept me as a founder and a separate brand to collaborate with. If you guys want to go to school, I will link my school down below if you're interested here in Los Angeles to attend the school that I went to. It's a private school. Dermalogica is the best, and I'm so honored to be working with them. And if you guys want to check out my facial from last time, check it out. On my TikTok, I'll be doing the Pro Glow experience on a model, maybe Peter, to let me. Be sure to follow me on social media. Follow One Size, follow Dermalogica. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. And I hope to see you in my next facial and video. Bye. Jackie, don't block us. Don't block us, Jackie.